Hey there! Frustrated with your Toshiba TV randomly powering off when connected via HDMI? You're not alone. Let's dive into how to fix Toshiba TV turning off on HDMI and keep your viewing experience uninterrupted. In this guide, we'll take you through some practical steps and troubleshooting methods to resolve this common issue. From tweaking settings to checking hardware connections, we've got you covered. Step 1. Check power settings. Start with a simple fix: examining your TV's power settings. Toshiba TVs have an eco mode or power saving mode that could be causing your TV to turn off unexpectedly. To adjust these settings, navigate to the TV's main menu using your remote control. Select the settings or eco mode and ensure that any power saving features are disabled. This should prevent the TV from shutting down while in use. Step 2. Inspect HDMI cable and ports. Next, inspect your HDMI cable and ports. A faulty cable can lead to connectivity issues, causing your TV to turn off. First, disconnect the HDMI cable from both the TV and the connected device. Check for any visible damage or wear on the cable. If you have a spare HDMI cable, try using it to see if the issue persists. Also, try plugging the cable into a different HDMI port on your TV to rule out any port-specific problems. Step 3. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware can affect TV performance and compatibility with devices. To update the firmware on your Toshiba TV, go to the Settings menu and look for the Support or Software Update option. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet and follow the prompts to download and install any available updates. Keeping your TV's software up to date can resolve issues related to HDMI connections. Step 4. Test with different devices. It's also possible that the issue lies with the device you're connecting to the TV. Test the TV with different devices such as a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or another HDMI-compatible device. If the TV only turns off with one particular device, the problem might be with that specific device rather than your TV. Ensure that the device's firmware is also updated and try using it with another TV if possible. Step 5. Disable CEC settings. The Consumer Electronics Control feature allows devices to communicate with each other over HDMI. Sometimes it can cause your TV to turn off unexpectedly. To disable CEC, return to your TV's settings menu. Look for an option titled CEC or HDMI control and disable it. This action may prevent signals from other devices from shutting down your TV. Step 6. Contact customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and your Toshiba TV is still turning off on HDMI, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Contact Toshiba's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your issue and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They may guide you through more advanced solutions or recommend service options if a hardware issue is suspected. By following these practical steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve issues with Toshiba TV turning off when using HDMI. Start with simple fixes like checking settings and cables, and move to more technical steps like disabling CEC or updating firmware. If the problem persists, professional support is just a call away. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience with these solutions. Happy viewing!